welcome friends. I'm Smitha from the blog Smiling Colors. Today's video I'm taking you through a flip through of my finished sketchbook. This is the B Paper Company's mixed media sketchbook. I love the 9-inch size, it's a square. I'll link this in the description box below, and I'll also link similar sketchbooks. The mixed media paper is 93 pounds, so it actually is really nice to layer. And I'm just going to start flipping through. The first page here it started with the February theme, so I had do more of what you love. And if you see carefully, there's kind of a little bit of a shimmer to the page because I've added glitter on top of all of the hearts. The next is Earth Day, so I had earth laughs in flowers, all green florals and leaves. This here is a Ganesha or a Ganapati. It's a very popular Hindu deity, and this one too has a lot of dimension and very colorful. I love the way this one turned out. This is also another Ganesha. This one's more muted in color. Lots of florals in this page. Life is art, live yours in color. This one turned out so pretty. It was summer. Do your own thing. There's a flamingo, and this one is actually a coloring page that you can get on my blog as well. Be courageous. Many of these pages started out with an idea, and some of them turned out exactly how I thought they would. Some of them didn't, but that's what a sketchbook is all about. You just keep drawing and learning. This is another Ganesha. I haven't colored this in. I might actually come back and color it. Always be yourself. This is a mermaid theme page that my daughter requested, and I actually love the way the whole thing turned out. Show the world your colors. This is a twin tones. So many of these pages are on my YouTube channel as start to finish videos, so I'll try to link them when I can. She breathes in dirt and exhale flowers. Very earthy colors for this one. Find your path. This is a typical rainbow page. I love drawing rainbows and lots of watercoloring here. This is the goddess Lakshmi, again a Hindu deity, and just pen work. You can see the pen details. It is really intricate and beautiful. Another just black and white page. This page I really didn't have much ideas, and I just kept it simple. Choose happiness. This is also another favorite of mine. If you see closely, it's watercolors. Again, I use colors that I don't usually use. I use a lot of pinks in general. This one has more earth tones, and these are also watercolors that I really love the way it turned out. This one also is a nice page that I can still color in. It says She Grows. I love black and white pages. Grow through what you go through. Feeling bright. I love the way these florals turned out. Now is the right time. This is whenever I procrastinate. Now is the right time. And I love how bold this color is. Embrace the chaos. This is a page actually I didn't like that much. I left it in the sketchbook because sometimes all the pages don't turn out perfect. I think it's the process of just putting color on page that's important. Great people do things before they're ready. I love the pink in this page. It's one of my favorites. Take time to live life will only inspire your work. So this is again the page that I want to color in. Many of these I can make into coloring pages, so let me know in the comments below. She was herself, and that made her beautiful. Again, another peacock theme page. There are always flowers for those who want to see them. This sketchbook is great for just drawing lines, so black lines. It's also great for watercoloring. The dual brush pens work well on it, but you don't have a lot of time. It kind of dries up quickly. Flowers are always a good idea. This one also has a full video. Love yourself. I must always have flowers. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. This one is all inks. This is a P.H. Martin ink one. I love the pink of this. Don't wait for everything to be perfect. Again, I like to choose colors for pages. If you see, like this is more pinks and greens, this is more greens, and I'll have black and whites in between, or just a pop of color. Happiness blooms from within. This is an art journal page. It has lots of layers, but the page is held up. You can see it's not warped all that much at all. Do all things with love. If life gives you lemons, make lemonade. less Monday, more summer. I love this one. Today is full of possibilities. Every flower blooms in its own time. So if you see this, this is actually a color pencil. And I'm not really used to using color pencils, so this one took a long time. But I love the way it turned out in the end. Let the sea set you free. This is a mixed media, lots of messy colors, and the turtle stencil was fun. The flower that blooms in adversity is the most rare and beautiful of all. Very beautiful, soft colors. I'll just keep making those new mistakes. Old ways won't open new doors. Time spent with family is worth every second. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Be the change. I love this one. This floral, this is also one of my favorites. I'll show you up here. If you can find the peace and clarity to accept where you are, you will soon have the insight to get where you'd like to go. If you want to fly, give up everything that weighs you down. Let your dreams blossom. You will face many defeats in life, but never let yourself be defeated. This was actually a page that ripped quite a bit and kind of annoyed me, but I told myself that I'm not going to let it go, and I finished the page. Where flower blooms, so does hope. Capture a shadow, dance with the wind, stand in a rainbow, begin at the end. I love the sketchbook, guys. One of the first sketchbooks that I completed completely. I love that it has a spiral binding. It's just so much more easier to kind of fold and use it when you need to. It's also easier if you want to rip out a page. I think I've ripped out 1 or 2 pages in this. I don't like that. I'm trying to embrace even all of my mistakes, but I have ripped out a couple of pages in this one. And the spiral binding is my favorite of all kinds of sketchbooks. I would highly recommend this sketchbook. I'd also highly recommend that you keep a sketchbook of any kind and just start writing down quotes and whatever you like. I like florals and rainbows, and you can kind of see that theme in this. I like bold fonts. I like simple black and whites. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this sketchbook. I loved sharing this with you today. I can't wait to share more videos with you, and I'll see you soon. Happy crafting!